everyone, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a project share. I wanted to break out my Valentine's Day embellishments as I progress, but yeah, life gets ahead of me, and I thought I'd come on and share collectively what I've been up to and creating for Valentine's Day. I've created a couple of fun embellishments, and I'm not sure if you know, but embellishments are my all-time favorite thing to create. So, yeah, I just love coming up with ideas and I don't know, creating something new. But I had to show you, I didn't want to show you the project, but I have this little dangle charm that I created and I'm so obsessed. This charm I actually got off Ali recently and they are the most darling little hearts ever. I'll leave links down below, but honestly, it is so sweet with the little pearls. This little second little charm here is one that I have a fuzzy little heart from the alley that I purchased, and I attached it to this bail and create a little charm with it and then a little fun tassel. And this little heart clasp here was gifted to me by my friend Olga. And yeah, it was perfect for this project because it's all hearts, literally. So I have some bag toppers, and these are shaker bag toppers. I created them for Christmas and I wanted to come back and do that again. And this is using basically kind of like an all heart feel. I didn't actually use the all heart paper. Actually, this isn't all heart paper, but this hollow doily from Martha Stewart that I finally get to use, and it was perfect for this project. I created this little shaker star because in the collection, all heart collection, there was a lot of stars. This little what is this? A sticker. I think it's from one of the Valentine's Day collection. I am mixing all hearts with Valentine's only because I need to use all hearts and only because I don't really have a lot of Valentine's Day, surprisingly enough. But anyways, I mixed it and I did lay down this little ruffle trim, made a little shaker star, and then I added this little sweet little tails and little lips bling. I laid it on top of a label and I love how this turned out. And then here's another one. This one is again using all hearts, and I created a shaker Polaroid. And then I have this little wood heart that I went around with Nuvo, and then I just added the little arrow. I did put a little chipboard sticker back there. I did put a little fun trim, and then I did put the vellum kind of like rosette style, and then laid this yay on top, and I thought it's so cute. So cute. And then let's see. I love all things nesting, and I love doing this technique only because it's so easy. So I created this nesting little heart and I basically sewed down the middle. I used a Paige Evans cut file, and I'm trying to incorporate more SVG, I guess the SVG life into my crafting as well. I mean, I do have a Cricut Explorer, and I just don't get to use it as much, only I think because it's easier to die cut things and it's faster. But honestly, when you're mass producing shapes like this, it's so easy. Just keep feeding the machine with different papers. So what I did was just cut out different papers and layered it, and then I sewed it down the middle. And I love how this came out. This really cute scripty font is from my stash, and it's an old die that I have. I actually don't even know where I got it, but I loved adding it to my project, and I just add a little pom-pom. I thought that was cute. This is where I started, and then I evolved. I went to add a shaker to the last layer of each kind of like nesting heart, only because I kind of wanted that element. You could still see the sequence in the back. Again, same concept. I did the nesting, sewed it, and then I added my really fun little font here. This one I did add like this really cute leafy wreath around it. And again, I added a fun tassel to kind of finish it off. This one I just used a sticker from one of the Valentine collections that I had. Again, a cute little shaker, and I thought that my pals could use this on a project or a bag topper or whatever they wanted to use. Such a cute embellishment, right? Okay. And then let's see. This was 100% enabled by Alicia Loved Letter Generation. She's been doing so many All Hearts projects that I was so inspired. And this one she used Maggie Holmes frames. I actually had those frames and I was able to create it the same night. So I loved busting open a new pack of Maggie Holmes frames that I had hoarded for so long, and I was like, you know what, it's time. So I was so inspired and I totally had to come home and recreate it. And it was so simple. I took a piece of paper, sewed it in acetate, and then I cut it around the frame, and then I just sewed around the frame. And look how cute this is. No foam, no glue, no mess. Honestly, that's like kind of my motto this year. It's so great. This one I used a die that I had in my stash. Again, same concept. I cut out 2 times and then I just used the acetate and just trimmed around and then hit it with the top deco paper and add a little trim. Just layered up some Valentine's stickers and ephemera, and this is the last one. So cute. I love your face. I love the sayings in the All Heart. They're kind of like retro 80s, things that you would say in the past, but so cute. Let me see what else I have here. Oh, see, so I have a couple. I like to kind of just prep the layered hearts so I can add them to a project. I had some sewn hearts, shaker hearts, so I could add them to a project. And then I went and created some telephones. I thought they were perfect with All Heart. I had used these, this die. Like, this is probably my 3rd time using this. And I love coming to an old die and reinventing a new embellishment. So this is a jelly bean soup stamp and die set. Obviously, only use the dies, and I think it's called Call Me Maybe, but I'll leave the link down below. It is such a cute die set, and I can never get tired of it. I created it once for Halloween, once with a Maggie Home Sunny Days, and now I'm doing Valentine's Day. So this one I actually did with a heart-shaped, I believe it's a waffle flower heart rosette. And I've had this in my stash forever. Again, going back and circling to the old dies that I have that seem to forget, because I'm always like wanting to play with new. And this is the embellishment that I created. So I created the rosette. I did add a pom-pom. I believe I did one without pom-poms. I felt like it needed something. So, and then I had these glittered papered hearts ready, and I added some tassels and boom, stuck it on, put a little word embellishment on ephemera piece on top, and I had a embellishment. I just tucked in some little cutesy accents in the corner and then added some pearl hearts in the corner. I thought this came out so cute, and I did create some in Valentine's and some in All Hearts. It's such a cute little embellishment. This one I did add a little mint. And then we have this one here. Oh gosh. I love the sass in All Hearts. It's such a cute collection. And then let me see what else I have here. I do have some little itty bitty bows. Nothing major. I was just playing. I kind of forgot about this die. And then when I created the suitcase, I went back to it. Now it escapes me which bow die it is. But I'll leave links down below. And it's such a cute die. I love it. So I just started playing around with it. This one I just went around with some twine, and then I added a little button that I had from Target Dollar Spot forever. And I was like, hey, let's just kind of like weave it in. And it came out so cute. This one I created a little shaker bow, and this was such a pain in the butt because the bow is so small, and I guess to like sew it was like itty bitty bitty, and it took me like a long time. So I don't know if I'll be doing more of these, but I was kind of satisfied with the results. It is such a cute little shaker, but it doesn't really shake because honestly it's like just kind of like bound up so tight. So that is it. I'm still creating, and I'll come back on to share my creations as I go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Have a good one. Bye.